Finally, I am about to let my students go, and I actually came here to teach my students. You can see I am here, and you can see beside me. How can I say? He is putting the books into his bag, right? Am I right? So look at him. Hello, my dear students. So right now he cannot speak English, but definitely I will teach him how to speak English. Okay? আমি একদিন তোমাকে শেখাবো কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে হয়। রাইট? Will you learn? তুমি শিখবে? Okay. So he will learn how to speak English. So কিছু বলো।
You.
How are you?
I am fine.
Oh, that's nice. You're fine? That's good. What is your name, bro?
My name is MD Mayanas.
Loudly.
My name is MD Mayanas.
Oh, okay. So MD Mayan Hub. That's nice name. What class do you read in?
1 class.
One class. I read in class 1. I read in
Class 1.
class 1. That's nice. Okay. Then like what is your father name?
My father name is Mehebub.
Oh, that's nice. And are you a student?
Yes.
Yes, I am a student, right? So are you happy to learn from me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's my pleasure. So he's quite happy. Yeah, he's quite happy to learn from me, to uh, take tuition from me. Okay, so here we are in a very empty room. No one is here. So I teach him very comfortably and comfortable. Okay, comfortably. Okay, whatever. So I teach him. It's very comfortable place to teach him. I teach him very properly. I try my best to teach him. Currently, he study in English medium school. Just right now, he is in class just 1. So he can speak English a little bit, but thing is that just some basic sentences. But I teach him Bengali right now because, to be honest, he can read English very like fast. Okay, he can read English very fast, but he cannot read any Bengali sentence or word. So for this reason, I teach him Bengali, but besides Bengali, I teach him 10 minutes to 20 minutes only English. So that's the thing, and day by day, gradually, when he will able to like read Bengali properly, that time I will start to teach him English, how to speak English, and I will try to communicate with him, and he will get an environment with me, and he will learn very fast because he is in English medium school. He is belong to English medium school, right? So it's time to go. Okay. Thank you, dear students. Just study carefully, and you are a very good boy, right? Okay. Then bye. Say to my audience that bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.